was expecting it to be like heavier or something.
It used to be heavier, actually.
Going to eat? Are we going to steakhouse for
For dinner?
It's just quite strange, yeah. I guess you get used to it, but...
Typical meat used to eat, isn't it?